What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your preferred languages on TikTok, which is a great way to see content from other regions and in different languages without changing your actual location. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the hamburger menu, which is the three-line icon. This will open TikTok's Settings and Options menu. From here, scroll until you see Content and Display, then tap on Language. This section controls what languages TikTok prioritizes when showing you content. Inside the language settings, tap on Preferred Languages. You'll now see a list of languages you can choose from. Select the language or languages you want TikTok to prioritize, then tap Done. TikTok will now start showing you more content in those languages while keeping your location the same. This is a great trick if you want to explore international content, learn a new language, or see trends from other regions without changing your account region. And that's it. That's how you change your preferred languages on TikTok to customize the content you see. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.